Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, October 31st, 2019. The time is 2:30 a.m. GMT. So we will be looking at the chart of the Nikkei here. This is a 60 minutes chart. We can see it ended this pullback at 21,070 as a wave 2. Since then, it has rallied as an impulse. Alright, so we got this 1 as a diagonal, 2, 3, 4, and then now looking for an ending diagonal here in the wave 5. Now, this has enough number of swing to finish this wave 1 any moment, right? So definitely it is a little bit risky at this point to chase, but we can still see one more push higher, no doubt about it. There is a chance to do one more push higher to finish the 5 waves before we get this 3S pullback right here. Okay, so we still got a bullish sequence stem. Right side stem is higher, so we favor more upside here in any pullback, and we do not like selling the index. Now if we take a look at the larger degree, we can see the Nikkei. We have a low in the December 26, 2018, and then we have a secondary low on August 26, right, 2019. Now if we do measure the extension, let's say the extension from August, now we got what looks like a 3 wave so far, and now it can be a 1 2 1 2, right? It can be 1 2 3 4 5, but so far it's only 3 swings, so 3 waves. Now the 100% extension is going to be 23,360, right? So August 26, 100% is 23,360. And then if you measure the 100% from December, okay, we also got a 3 swings here, 1 and then 2 and then 3. That 100% is going to be 23,380, let's say. So we got a nice confluence between 23,360, 23,380, somewhere around this area. We could see 100% from here as well as from here. So for now, we have not reached that target area. Okay, so we're gonna keep pushing it on the upside. Okay, in the shorter cycle, and any dips is gonna continue to get supported in the sequence of 3 7 11 swing, at least until we hit this area here, and then from there we might get a bigger pullback. So a bigger pullback therefore likely won't happen until we at least hit this target area right here in the Nikkei. Okay, so that's the update for today. If you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Also, you can check out our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description on the video below. Okay, so see you guys again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.